Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add fields to your user profile on monday.com. So let me show you how you can easily view user profile, and I'm going to show you how you can add additional custom fields. So to view your profile, go ahead and click your account on the upper right hand side and click in my profile. And as you can see, these are some of the information that are currently shown here on my account. And basically you can show or hide certain fields that are shown on your account, and I'm going to show you how to do that. And you can add even more fields. So to manage this, go ahead and click your account on the upper right hand side and click in administration. Then on the left hand side, you want to expand customization and then click in user profile. Here is where you'll be able to see your user profile and what's there. There's some options that you can't hide or you can't delete. For example, you can't hide the email, for example, but you can pin it, or you can just go ahead and hide the rest, but you can't delete it, right? So in order to add a new custom field, let's say I want to add a new custom field that says team. So to show which team I'm from, I'm going to add a custom field here. Here you can see the field name. So I'm going to call this one team. So I'm going to call this one team, for example, then click away. And that's going to be the label, let's say, for it. And then here you can just fill in the team, whatever, like a placeholder. So here you can say name of, or I'm going to call this, for example, team you're a part of, for example, right? Let's say, so they need to know the team that you're a part of. And that's it. This is added and you don't have to click save or anything. Now, if I go back to my account profile, you will see on the lower left hand side that there is a new field that's called team, and it says what the team I'm a part of, and I can just click there and add whatever. So for example, I can say the Drew Toots team. I can just write Drew Toots, and then this would be it, right? So that's how you can add custom fields to your user profile, and all you can do is basically add those fields that you want there. Very easy and very simple.